Welcome to our presentation on Notepad and CoPilot writing tools, where we delve into the features and benefits of these powerful writing aids. Notepad offers a simple yet effective platform for writing and editing text, providing users with a straightforward interface to focus on their content. With Notepad, selecting text is intuitive and easy, allowing users to quickly highlight and manipulate their writing for efficient editing. Notepad provides a variety of editing options, including cut, copy, and paste, enabling users to manage their text with precision and ease. CoPilot enhances your writing experience by offering AI-powered suggestions and summaries, making your text more concise and impactful. CoPilot's summarization feature allows you to condense lengthy text into digestible summaries, perfect for quick reviews and presentations. With CoPilot, rewriting text becomes a breeze, as it offers intelligent suggestions to refine and improve your writing style. CoPilot allows for customization of text, giving users the ability to adjust tone and length to suit their specific needs and audience. Adjusting the tone of your text is simple with CoPilot, ensuring your message resonates well with your intended audience. CoPilot's length adjustment feature helps tailor your text to fit specific requirements, whether for a brief summary or detailed explanation. Notepad's search feature enables users to quickly locate specific text within their documents, streamlining the editing process. CoPilot offers insights into the psychology of writing, helping users craft messages that are not only clear, but also engaging and persuasive. CoPilot's summarization tool is perfect for distilling complex information into concise summaries, making it easier to understand and share. Notepad's efficient text editing capabilities allow users to swiftly make changes and improve their documents with minimal effort. Notepad provides a comprehensive view of your text, enabling users to see their entire document at a glance for better context and understanding. The menu options in Notepad offer a range of functionalities, from basic text editing to advanced features, enhancing the user experience. CoPilot's content generation feature assists users in creating new text, offering ideas and suggestions to spark creativity and innovation. Occasionally, CoPilot may encounter errors in content generation, but these are easily resolved, ensuring a smooth writing process. Reviewing content generated by CoPilot is straightforward, allowing users to assess and refine the text to meet their specific needs. The AI credit balance provides users with an overview of their available credits, ensuring they can manage their usage effectively across Microsoft 365 applications. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment below.